Hey, what's up guys, it's Kitty Cass, and today we're doing a giant David's tea haul. I have this box and I have this box. So, a very big order. I love tea, clearly. Yeah, I won't be going over the prices because it's all a blur. Further ado, let's just see what's in these boxes. Okay, so I just took out all the packaging so we can get to the real tea. I got one of my favorite teas, which I'm super running low. Comment down below if you've had this before. Cold 911. This is the best tea. I love it when I'm sick, when I'm not sick. I just think it's a very calming and relaxing tea. So I got 3 bags. 3 bags of Cold 911. And I got a tin to put set tea in. I also got, because it's not gonna be there anymore, I don't think. The name sold me. Destiny's Chai. Amazing. I also bought 3 of these. It said that it was good for indigestion, and it's a very like grounding tea and stuff like that, which who doesn't need in their life? So of course I bought that, and I got a tea. I've ordered tea. I got a tin for that tea. Now, one thing I did notice for online, they actually give you a little envelope with the stickers to put on your tins, which is really nice. Keep everything clean and uniformed. Some agave from David's Tea, because I bought a tea that I'm going to be talking about in a few minutes, and I believe I've had it with agave, because if you put sugar in it, it just doesn't work very well with that kind of tea, especially if it's a cold tea, which this one I believe is. So I got some agave for that. So this is the tea I'm talking about. Magic Potion. I just got 15 little tea bags of them, just because I've had it before, but I don't know I would love it that much to get like a crazy tin of it. So I just got the little tea bags like that. And I got just Peachy, a coworker of mine, actually let me try her drink because she said it was amazing. And I haven't really been getting into cold teas, but now I'm kind of getting into cold teas. So I picked up some just Peachy. And since I'm getting into cold teas, I need somewhere to brew them. So I bought a teal brewer for that. So that's one box down. Now we're on to the second box. So when I was ordering with that big order, I completely forgot to check to see if they had my favorite tea of all time. So there used to be a tea shop downtown where I live that used to have this tea called Sherlock. Amazing tea. Amazing tea. Very calming and very sophisticated tea. It tastes like, the only way I can describe it, it tastes like a campfire, like that kind of smoky kind of taste, which is amazing, especially with scones. But yeah, amazing tea. Really sad when that tea shop actually closed. So I went to David's Tea and asked them if I had anything kind of similar, and they told me about this stuff, which I can't pronounce the name. There it is right there, if it will focus. There we go. It is amazing. My boyfriend actually really loves this tea too, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4 giant bags of this. So we're gonna be good for a while now. But yeah, we were running low of this as well, so I figured I'd pick that up. And again, they gave me the little sticker for the tin. And they had a promotion that if you ordered a certain amount of tea, you got a free collapsible good lord, collapsible travel mug. And here it is right here. I thought with that order I got it, but it didn't work. So I only got one, which is fine. Love the color. This is really cute. Just have it on the go. See how big this gets. That's a good size. That's the size of my head. I believe that's it for my tea haul. David's tea haul. Comment down below your favorite tea, especially if it's from David's tea. I am curious to see what kind of tea you guys are into. I'm always up for trying new kinds of tea. And yeah, if you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that like button down below. Also, if you love my face, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that bell, because if not, you won't know when I'm uploading. Remember, you guys are perfect, and I hope you guys have a great day and stay safe. Bye.